Let's take a look outside. This is downtown Grand Rapids tonight. It is a cold one with some potentially slick roads. Not a lot of traffic out there right now, but these conditions could change on the roadways as we get later into the night, right, Ellen?
Yes, they could, especially because this is a very changeable system. So some spots are just now starting to see glaze ice, and that goes for spots like Muskegon, where if you're just looking on the radar, it almost looks like you'd be seeing just plain snow, but you're not. And so that's why those ground truth reports are so important. And it is showing us that some of the freezing mixture has started to make it north into spots like Muskegon. So here's a look at what the roads look like overall. Just very damp, very wet, and very slick. Temperatures are hovering just below freezing. So as the freezing rain falls, at first it's just damp, and then it creates the glaze ice pretty quickly. And treated roads are probably going to be doing pretty well just because our temperatures are so close to freezing, and salt is very active and effective when that happens. But keep in mind that some of it could wash off too, or it could get another layer on top of it. So just some of the typical stuff that we already know for winter. But again, this is what, our third winter system so far this season. We have not seen much. So all good reminders as we get back into the headspace that it is in fact winter, and we do have to worry about slick conditions. Here's the back edge of the system. Notice how it's almost all snow. So as this moves into West Michigan overnight tonight, especially close to midnight, we have a better chance of just seeing all snow. So watch for the glaze ice, and then keep in mind that you might see a stack of about an inch, maybe 2 inches on top of that layer of ice, which just means if you're not prepared and you go out for a walk tomorrow, you might think that the traction is great, but you might hit an icy patch. So again, things that we know here in West Michigan, but it's just nice to hear just in case, because no one wants a slip and fall or a crash to start off the new year. Here's where snow is heaviest, up near Big Rapids, likely some big flakes being reported there. And then south of that, it's very hit and miss with some gaps in the precipitation. It's actually a very good thing. That means that we're not going to be seeing a lot of the glaze ice stack up, and it reduces our chances of power outages. In addition to that, not only are we going to be seeing some light glaze ice amounts, our wind is not going to be that bad. It's going to continue to taper off tonight. Earlier today, we had some gusts in the 30-mile-per-hour range. Heaviest pockets of ice accumulation now looking like Coldwater up through the Jackson area. So the three big takeaways: the ice, the fact that we could get 1 to 2 inches of snow today, and then a quiet weekend with just a little bit of accumulating snow for Sunday. So Saturday is going to be the quieter of the 2 days, but both days pretty similar. Saturday, maybe a bit more sunshine. Sunday, slight chance of some light snow, especially south. So 1 to 2 inches for tonight. And then here's the slug that rolls through for Sunday. Best chance of accumulation once again, Coldwater and Hillsdale. Here's your Forecast as we walk through the night. By the time we get to midnight, we should start to see the snow settling down, which is good. And then by the time we get to daybreak tomorrow, the system is long gone and the wind stays light. So it's just cloud cover for Saturday. Through the day on Saturday, we're expecting highs to jump up to about 34, so there could be a little bit of melting. And again, that's also really fantastic temperature for salt to be effective if you have to put it down. Looking through the week ahead, very cold air stays locked up into Canada and the Arctic, which means our high temperatures stay in the mid-30s. So just a touch warmer than average for this time of year. Next chance of snow after Sunday will be Monday night into Tuesday. It's not looking significant at this point, and we're watching a storm system that should pass to our south on Thursday. As of now, it looks like it should just throw us clouds.